Hello everyone, I am Mahisa Avnir. So today I am going to start a new topic, that is suspension, solution and colloidal. So firstly we will understood about the solution. So for this I have taken an example, that water and plus sugar. So we will pour this sugar into water. Then this sugar we will mix it well. Now, after some times, means mix it well, we will observe that the particles of sugar are completely dissolved in water because of solution. And this one we have done example that called solution. So, what is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. So, here first substance is sugar and second substance is water. Then we have mixed it well, the both particles sorry we have mixed it well, the particles of sugar in water. Then after some time we will observe that the particles of sugar is completely dissolved in water, and this phenomena is called solution. Then we will see with the help of torch. Now we will take a torch and we will take this torch at the center of the glass. See, the rays of torch are not able to scatter in the solution of sugar plus water. And when we will take the rays, when this rays passes in a glass, are not able to scatter, and this effect is called Tyndall effect. So what is Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect, when a beam of light is passes, what is Tyndall effect? When a beam of light is passes is called Tyndall effect, and when this beam of light are not able to scatter, this one is called solution. So in solution, the rays of light, beam of light are not able to scatter. This is called solution. So now we will understood about the suspension. So for suspension I have taken an example of water and plus chalk powder. Now we will pour this chalk powder into this water. Now see, the particles of chalk powder are settled down and some particles are floating. Now we will mix it well. Now after mixing we will see that the particles are settled down at water. This effect is called suspension. So what is suspension? In suspension, the particles are settled down at the bottom of the container. So as here same happen, that the particles of chalk powder are settled down at the container. So now we will see with the help of torch. So as here same happens, that the rays of torch are not able to scatter. The rays of torch are not able to scatter. This is called Tyndall effect, and Tyndall effect are not scatter in solution and suspension. See, the particles are floating, the particles are settled down at bottom of the container, and the rays of torch means a beam of light are not able to scatter in suspension. So we will say that the Tyndall effect are not able to scatter in suspension. So we will understood about the colloidal. So for the colloidal I have taken an example of same as it is water and plus milk. Now we will pour this milk into the water. See, now in colloidal we will see that we will firstly mix it well. Now as we have seen that the particles of milk are not able to dissolve in water. As we have seen, we are able to see that the particles of milk are completely dissolved, but no, the particles of milk are floating on water. We are not able to see with naked eye because of the particles of milk are very tiny. So what is colloidal? In colloidal the particles are floating. We are not able to see, but the particles are actually floating in this container. So as we have seen, we are able to see that the rays of torch are able to scatter. See, the rays of torch is able to scatter in colloidal. So we will say that the Tyndall effect are able to scatter in colloidal. So this is the explanation of suspension, solution and colloidal. Thank you.